Hey y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. And if you could see from the description below, we will be unboxing or unbagging our August 2018 mintMONGOOSE jewelry subscription. For those of you that do not know, mintMONGOOSE is a monthly subscription that you receive 3 items of jewelry. You do have the option to go in and select whether you prefer silver, gold, and now they have the option for rose gold, so that's really awesome. I did choose silver. This does start at $12 a month. You do pay a small shipping fee, and it's supposed to be a retail of $40 or more. I will leave a link to the website as well as a promo code down below. I used promo code Abby and I was actually able to get my first month for $5 plus shipping, and I want to say it came to about like $8.70. So I think the shipping may vary depending on your location. If you do decide to join, you also receive 25% off any of the items in the shop that she has. So it's not just the subscription, she does have other items you can purchase. So again, as a member, you do get 25% off of those. And that is pretty much, oh, this is the really awesome thing I think too, is that every 3 months you get a free gift. So not only do you get your 3 pieces of jewelry, you will get a free gift. They do also offer another subscription level, which is the mintMONGOOSE Black. That is free shipping in the US. You also get the free gift every 3 months. You will receive 4 items of jewelry. It's a retail of $55 or more. It is $22.99 a month. And then you also, instead of the 25% off that you receive with the regular mintMONGOOSE subscription, you receive the 25% off in that shop. You will receive 50% off in the shop with the mintMONGOOSE Black subscription. You also do receive, in addition to the 4 pieces of jewelry, 2 fun accessories, and it could be socks, makeup, etc. So definitely, again, this different levels for every budget, so it is awesome. But without further ado, I am ready to dive in here and see what we got this month. Again, this was for the August 2018. So I love this bag. I love this color. As you can see, it kind of matches the background here. All right. There we go. So we have it out of the box, or out of the package here. This is absolutely adorable. This detail to me is honestly what drew me to mintMONGOOSE. She seals every package with an old-fashioned wax seal, and it does have her logo here, which is the little mongoose, and how adorable is that? Also, this color, again, it actually to me rings like Tiffany color, so it's like, yay. So we are going to, even though I hate to open this with the wax seal, we are going to pop it off so we can get into the box here. All right. So we have a beautiful thank you card. Yay, it's here is what it says on the back. So yes, yay, it is here. How cute. A little Werther's Original Candy. That is a nice little treat. And we have the items here in this beautiful, again, Tiffany colored tissue paper. It is absolutely beautiful. So let's see here what August holds. And again, if I did not tell you, I went with the silver option. So, paper. All right, so each item comes with a little tag for the Mint Mongoose. So cute. And each item is individually wrapped, so we're gonna, and then it's in bubble wrap inside, which is really great because I do think that the extra touch there of protecting the items is awesome. Ooh, this is so pretty, you guys. Let's see. It is a silver necklace with a beautiful, just beautiful, beautiful charm almost. And it almost, at first it kind of looks a little black, but then it's almost like it also picks up other colors. So like right here, it almost has a greenish look. It is so beautiful. All of her jewelry also always has the Mint Mongoose. Let's get that to focus for you guys. The Mint Mongoose logo here. This is so cute, you guys. Like, this is something that is, you know, if you're wanting to do just a simple look but still kind of have that elegant touch, this is absolutely a necklace to go to for that. So I'm super excited for that. This looks like we have earrings here. Again, I love that she takes the time to make the packaging so beautiful, but also efficient with the bubble wrap and everything to protect your items. All right, so this month we got 2 studs. They do seem to match the necklace, so how awesome is that? They are gorgeous. And then the final item here is a bracelet. I do want to read here. This says, okay, spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. So that's awesome. So if you find some jewelry that you like, and like I said, you get 25% off with the regular Mint Mongoose subscription, you can spend $40 and then you end up getting your monthly item for free. So this appears to be a bracelet. All right, so it is adjustable. It is really pretty. It looks like almost these beads have this, they're like cream colored, but they almost have this like iridescent brown going with them. And the bracelet, get it to be still, it is adjustable, so you can adjust the size, so that is great. This bracelet I think is absolutely beautiful. It honestly is not really my style, so I think I'm actually going to put this in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway box. So you guys, if you are not already, please make sure to subscribe and enter the giveaway. And like I said, this now will be added to the box. So that was the Mint Mongoose for August 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I am super tickled with the necklace and the earrings, and how cute is that to add a Werther's Original to the box. And then like I said, then just the packaging itself on this is beautiful. So again, this is a 2 thumbs up for me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, bye and have a great day.